Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today I'll show you a super easy Excel formula to calculate amounts automatically by multiplying quantity and rate using the product function. Let's get started. Here we have a simple table, product names, quantity in one column, rate or price in the next column. And we want to calculate the total amount for each product. Instead of typing quantity into rate manually, Excel has a built-in formula for this. Click on the amount cell and type product B 2, C 2, press enter, and Excel instantly multiplies the quantity and rate to give you the total amount. Now just drag the formula down, and Excel calculates amounts for all products automatically. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips.